Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This Now Solutions vegetable glycerin is really a great solution for both its traditional uses for skincare, but also in my craft room. I use it in my DIY skincare recipes, and it works so great in my recipes because I really love the quality and it's unscented and clear. And I also use it with my inks in my craft room to create beautiful backgrounds. It spreads the inks so nicely on the paper. And I also use it as a nice, soft cleanser. It works really well because it's water soluble and it's an excellent moisturizer as well. I love the versatility and the excellent quality of this Now Solutions vegetable glycerin. And that's my point of view.